If you want to save 10 hours every single week, you are in the exact right place. Most people believe that automating your life and saving time means you have to be some kind of tech genius, write code, or buy expensive software. But the truth is, the absolute best time-saving tools are completely free, and they hide right at the top of your screen. I am going to show you exactly where to click to install 7 simple tools that will change how you use your Windows 11 computer forever, even if you are a total beginner. We are kicking things off with OneTab. Search for OneTab Chrome extension. Click Add to Chrome, and click the puzzle piece icon to pin it to your bar. Whenever your screen is cluttered with too many tabs, just click the little funnel icon at the top right. It instantly turns all your open pages into one clean text list, saving your computer's memory and your sanity. If you thought that was satisfying, wait until you see text blaze. Install it, click the icon, and type out your most common message just once. Give it a short nickname like /hello. Next time you need to send that message, type the shortcut and watch the whole paragraph magically appear. You just turned 2 minutes of typing into half a second of work. To round out our browser cleanup, let's talk about Pocket. When you stumble on a great video or article you do not have time for right now, click the red shield icon to save it. Later, open the Pocket app while you are on the go, and everything you saved is right there waiting for you. Now that your browser is clean and organized, let's stop the doom scrolling before it even starts. That brings us to BlockSite. Add the extension, click the shield icon, and type in the websites that distract you the most. Set a timer, and it gently blocks those pages, so a quick 5-minute break doesn't accidentally turn into an hour of wasted time. But what if you actually need to watch a video while you work? Enter Google's Picture. In Picture, start playing any video online. Click the extension icon, and the video pops out into a floating mini window. Now you can easily follow along with a tutorial in another tab without ever losing your place. For times when you need to read without visual distractions, print-friendly is a lifesaver. Go to any messy ad-filled web page and click the green icon. It instantly strips away all the visual junk, leaving you with a perfectly clean page that is incredibly easy to read. Finally, the ultimate time saver, Briskine. This tool practically writes your emails for you. Add it to Chrome, open a blank email, and pick a template from the new menu at the bottom. Click it, and a perfectly polite, professional email appears in 1 second flat. All you have to do is hit send. By taking 5 minutes to install these tools today, you will easily save 10 hours this week. I have put direct, safe links to all of these extensions in the pinned comment below, so you can get started right away. Now, since you are going to be using new browser tools, you might run into permission pop-ups. Click the video on your screen right now to learn exactly how to enable camera and microphone access in Google Chrome in just a few simple clicks. See you there!